board, yeah. We're still excited, yeah. In the Solomon Island, we have a spy, and his name is John. I used to say that spy, not in the bad way, but this guy can speak many languages, right? And yes, so to the surprise of everyone in our community, we trusted this guy as well. Okay, I need no need to explain further. I'll leave the rest. I'll leave the rest to time. Take 1, 2.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ Kiribati, you are hard to beat tonight. As a matter of fact, we have a large Solomon Islands and Kiribati community in Solomon Islands, so I'm just like watching our own people back home. So thank you very much, Kiribati, for gracing us with that beautiful song. Any others that would like to volunteer? We have another quarter of an hour to go, 15 minutes. And with your permission, Mr. Koroy and Mr. Pony, I think that the final song, if you agree, we can all sing is Isa Isa. Is that okay?
You want the...
Copyright? Copyright? No. Before we get to the final minute, can anyone volunteer again? I know if I ask the Kiribati people, they'll certainly come. Tuvalu, for the last time. Palau, where's that beautiful lady from Tuvalu that can dance? Do we have one more from Tuvalu, please? Yeah. Can we have Tuvalu, please. Let's have you on the floor.